What's going on, everybody? My name is Jack, and today I'm bringing you a second video. So first thing I want to talk about today is Siguza's new exploit for the Mac. This is a 0-day that targets the entire Mac system, and what you're seeing right now is me actually scrolling through the whole write-up. The write-up is insanely long. It goes into every single detail about what happens, how he does it and stuff. Now, personally, I don't understand any of it because it's written in like ARM and like all that stuff, so I'm not understanding. But from his GitHub, it's more summed up where he says it is more of a so there's three exploits. There's the POC, which panics the kernel, and then there's the leak, which leaks the kernel, and then HID, which it achieves full kernel read and write permissions. The second thing is more of a warning more than it is anything else, but this yesterday Apple betas Noel River and Justin, they released a quote-unquote jailbreak for iOS 11.2.1. Now obviously, you know from my other videos, 11.1.2 just came out, so essentially this is a joke. This is not real. They provided actually hours before they released it, Justin said, hey, this is going to be going on. If you see it, just go along with it. Now, an actual screenshot from the thing shows it's just a rickroll, but apparently they do it every year. So please do not update your device to 11.2.1 because that will mess you up. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. My name is Jack. Thank you so much for the support. Happy 2018. Hopefully my channel grows even more in 2018. I'll see you guys later. Peace.